Okay, let's get started. I had a couple of issues. Trying to start um, the stream. So I apologize for that. Let's get started. I want to show news first. Today there's nothing really. Let's get here. So you see, there's no news today. However, this one today, I mean, this week is a very important week. There's a I'm gonna put this other one I use here. So nothing today, but tomorrow we do have CPI at 8:30 in the morning. And the big one here is actually on Wednesday, where we do have FOMC announcements. So we will take a look at this. We do have also PPI at 8:30 at 7 a.m. This one is, let me see here. Okay. Wednesday. I look at it better in this chart actually. So let's go here. We do have nothing today. We do have CPI tomorrow morning at 8:30, and then we do have some busy week here. We do have PPI at 8:30. Then 2 p.m. we do have FOMC statements, and so this one is a big one. And we may see some choppiness, today and tomorrow, with small moves, but it is actually an important week. So let's look at the levels here. Just give me 1 minute here. My charts are not. I was trying to find out how to correct I forgot how to correct the charts. You will see what I'm talking about because there were rollovers for a couple of instruments in Q and RTY. Give me 1 second. I'm still trying to fix my charts here. Okay. So gold, and I'm gonna put the dailies in front of you here real quick. So we would see on the dailies what's going on first. Right here. So gold continues moving to the downside. In the dailies, we are bearish. Moving towards moving down off of this run on stops, and then try to come back. There I found some support here, but then finally failed, and it's moving down. Now broke this trend line here, so we are bearish on the dailies. Okay, we will see the levels in just a minute, but let's check this first. Crude, we are still in the bear flag going up. There was a nice move to the upside on Friday, and now we do have a doji. So we'll see how this one ends up. Momentum is still down. You see here it red, and then we do have some rising in the MFC. However, it's well over sold here, so no bullish until we cross the 20 line right here. Okay. Yes. Yeah, this one is what I'm talking about. So this candle right here, let me expand it a little bit. In In Thinkorswim, you go here and then go to the futures, and then you adjust for contract changes right there. And when you click that, you apply it, then this one is going to correct your chart. However, the drawings are going to be not the drawings you have are going to be a little bit displaced off of there. But you see that we are at the top of this channel now, coming back down a little. So so far it failed to break this 4661.25. It's failing. It's retracing a little bit here, but we'll see if it recovers and go and start to go up. And NQ, I would say same situation. You have this a candle all the way up here. So to correct that one, you go here and then and then go to futures. This one is adjusted. This is weird. Let me see what happened if I don't adjust it. Apply. Oh, this one, it seems that this one, and then this one went up actually. Oh, there you go. There you have the adjustment. And then, so you have here, and it's still in the channel right there, right? So you see that clearly we do have a channel. It tried to go up. This one is a hammer candle. However, it's at the top of this channel. There's a couple of weeks there that that are serving as resistance, and it's not working very well to break to the upside. Okay, so let's go to gold again. So we said gold going down or bearish, and let's review now the levels. So so here, let's correct this one there. I moved it a little bit to the upside from what we had on Friday. So let's copy and paste this. And let's move initially there and see what's in the past. So we do have right now, we are below or at this support level right here. We do have some support there as well. And also there, right? So I think that this level would be okay as a support for now. And then to the upside, I'm gonna go with this one here. Okay, so that one there would be at this level, and that would put support and resistance. Yeah, this is probably supported also by that and this, right? So, and then we do have that one as well. So I feel comfortable on that level right here. Let's see what it is, 2030. 2030, and then down below we are at 2007. And you know what? I'm gonna go, I'm gonna leave it 2007. But I mean, no, I'm gonna go 2000 because this is a really important round number. So I'm gonna go and leave it there. Okay, so 2000 and 2030. Those are my levels in gold. NQ. I'm sorry, NQ, CL, crude. So we are looking at this level right here. Inventories is on Wednesday. So So I do see that that support there. I'm gonna go with that, and then resistance. I'm gonna go up here, even because there's an overshoot here. I'm gonna go back down to there. Okay, so we do have 71.86. I'm gonna call this one 72. And then below here, 70.35. I'm gonna call this one, yeah, 70.20. Those are going to be my levels for today. And I don't have for ES. I raised the question to support because I don't remember how I adjust this one to the down, but I'm gonna go and assume that this one is going to somehow be adjusted. I'm gonna go with these levels and make an assumption that this one is a continuation here. So I'm gonna go with this one is gonna be difficult. I'm gonna go with support at 4,600, right there. Support at 4,600, and this here should be down below here. So I really don't know. I'm gonna leave it there. Probably resistance. I don't know. I'm gonna leave it there for now and then review it after they respond to my question on customer support, because this prices here should be somewhere in there. But since this one is the range and this one is the extension here, I'm gonna leave that up there just for now. Okay, I apologize for not knowing this, but I'm sorry. I really don't know. Let's go to NQ. This one is corrected. I really don't know what's going on. Okay, so no, this one is not corrected. Yeah, this is probably in the new contract. What's going on, man? All my drawings are displaced, and I don't know how to fix that. I'm gonna go and put this up here. 16. Since this one is it's even. I mean, I don't see any displacement. I'm gonna go and put my my lower level around this area off of that. That could be an option. You can also argue that you can go down to that level here, 16,100. Yeah, 16,100 probably it's okay, and I'm gonna go with that one there. This one makes more sense. So that one, and this one. So 16,100. there, with potentially also 16200 right here. See, in the middle line right there. So if it breaks to the downside, then the next level would be around this area. And then up here, 16300, I would say, 16325, 16325. I'm gonna leave it 16325, and then you see the extensions right here, right? That one there and this one here. So those are the levels. Okay. Let's do the time charts now. Since there's no really any news at 8:30, I would assume that it's going to be quite slow in the morning. We'll see. But I don't see any reason why the market should move before 9:30 that much. It's a Monday also. So we do have a bear flag triggering here in the 60 minutes. Momentum is already oversold or extended right here at this level in the momentum. Also, we do have a red momentum in the 240 minutes. We saw that we were bearish in the short term in gold in the dailies. So 240s is bearish. Bearish in the 60 minutes with this bear flag triggering with good support down below in the 60 minutes, and then we are reacting to the downside in this bear flag also, but within this channel in the 30 minutes. So let's wait a little bit to see what is going to happen here, if it's going to react at this level. If it forms this reversal candle right here, could go to the upside. But going to the upside, that means that we are against the trend. You are making lower highs and lower lows here. So we are expecting a new low, but it's really not really triggering. Let's let me look back in the dailies in Think or Swim real quick to see if we do have some support nearby, and not really. In the dailies we don't have any. The next support is our line here, 2000, right? Rounded number. Okay, let's go to crude oil. Crude oil, we do have this support right here at 70.20, we said, right? 70.20, it's reacting back up in the 240. We are in a bear flag in the dailies. Okay, NQ is supporting, it's going back up. Let's look at this chart here, but it's in the channel. Okay, but there was a little bit of reaction here to the upside, really in a range still. Okay, so just notice it in one of my other screens here in gold, that it's counter trending to the upside now. Okay, so let it be. Let it be. Okay, so 60 minutes in the bear flag here triggered in this candle at 6 a.m. and now it's reacting back up in the middle of the range we marked earlier. Momentum reset in the 60 minutes. So potential moving up. This bar is trying to close above the moving averages here, so it's moving back up. I would say that it's neutral to bullish in the 60s. It's a little bit mixed actually, what I see here. In between what I see in the 240 and the 60 minutes. This one indicates to me that it's a little bit bullish here, trying to get up to this 71.80 level. But this one here, which is moving back up and rejecting this bear flag, it's sideways. So in the 30 minutes, lots of congestion. All the moving averages are heading towards each other, right? So you have that, and then this. All the moving averages are in compression now, so sideways in the 30 minutes. Let's go to ES. And I have a mess here, so really I'm not, I don't really understand I don't know how to fix that. So my take on this one is that it's I'm gonna, you know what, I'm gonna look the my other channel, my other chart, and I'm gonna go to this grid here, and I'm going to, hopefully these guys answer my question before the market opens. I'm gonna detach the ES chart and show it here. So we moved up, we're going down in the, this is the best I can do now. So in the 50-minute, in the overnight, we have a channel going down. However, we are trying to break above this one in this micro trend right here. So I would say that in the 15 minutes, let me expand this one. In the 15 minutes, we are sideways to bearish, that because we are above this one, and we could become bullish if this one goes up. And yes, but we are essentially, we are sideways there. And let me go to NQ. I'm sorry if I cannot NQ. NQ, I'm gonna look at it in the chart. Okay, NQ, we are sideways in the 240s and threatening this 16,325. If we could, if we break it out of there, we could go bullish. If not, it's going to retrace and then find this other level here. All the moving averages, you see the moving averages are to the upside, so that is a bullish sentiment here. And momentum is a little bit, it's resetting a little bit extended, but it's not giving me that much more information right here. We could go sideways because of this resistance level. Let's see if it breaks there. 60 minutes bullish with positive momentum here, so we could head higher here. Unless we break below this 250, and then we do have some resistance, some support also on these moving averages, but the moving averages are stacking to the upside. Okay, and NQ in the 30 minutes is sideways for sure. Not really doing anything in momentum here. It's very close to the center, to the zero line. So it's sideways. And one more thing that I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go and take a look at this RTY. In RTY, which is the Russell, I'm paying attention to this one also a little bit. So let me go to it didn't move all of them. Just wait me 1 second. Yeah, Russell is I'm gonna look at it in my it's also correcting here. I would say that Russell is Russell is at the top of the of the uh, of the range also here in these few days. So I would say Russell is bullish if it goes above 1915.10 in the dailies. Bullish in the 240s. Momentum trying to reset here. And also bullish in the 60 minutes. A lot of wicks here, though. I don't like this type of move, so this could be sideways as well. Sideways to bullish, and this one here is sideways to bullish as well. A lot of coming back, but there's all the moving averages are starting to the upside. This could be a little bit deceiving. I don't expect that much move in here. So let's go back to NQ. Okay. So I'm gonna go and put my Renko charts here, and I'm gonna start watching at the move in here. See, gold is actually, moving to the downside, bearish. As we said initially, it tried to recover a little bit, but it found this a previous day low, which is this level right here, and now it's moving back down, but in the range. I'm gonna see if they have not responded my request yesterday yet in from Ninja Trader. Guys, let me remind you about while we are waiting here about this 71% discount in Apex, valid till the end of the month. So if you want to try them out, the link is in the description. Also, thank you for the likes in the video so far. So appreciate it. Heading down. See what sizes I have here. Let me talk a little bit about the sizes on the Renko chart. So this one is 4. So 4, 10, 20. So this is the setup right here. 4, 10, 20. 10 days. I'm gonna go with 10. Just 10. I don't need any more. Same thing for gold, and NQ I do have it at 4. 4 also, 4, 10, 20. Now the small bars, you can go here. There's a couple of options. If you go with the 3 or the 2. If you go with the 2, that one is the smallest one. Oh, look at that. What did you do, man? Okay. So if you go with 2, it's 2, 5, 10, right? And then if you go with a 3, that would be 3, and this is the setup I have, 3, 7, 14. Okay? So those are the 3 sizes I have here. Just in case you're wondering, what are the sizes for that I use? Now, these are for entry. 2, 3, and 4 are for trigger charts, right? And then the anchor charts, if you're using a 2, then you can use a 4. If you're using a 3, then the anchor chart would be 6. If you and let me show you the 6 also. So 6 is going to be 6, 14, 28, right? And then if you are using a 4, your chart would be 8. And 8, I mean, your anchor chart would be 8. And 8 is 8, 20, 40. Hopefully that explains. And I'm gonna go back to 4. And same thing for crude and gold. Nothing to do here. Nothing to do here. I said that it was going to potentially be very, very slow. It's a Monday, and this week is going to be a big week, but it's not going to be. It's not probably going to be today where we're going to see a lot of fireworks. So you have to be patient. Today is a day of think what you're going to do, review your strategies, be cool, don't rush trades, don't expect that much move. If you're going to take a trade, go for a short win or a short term or small move and take your profits fast. Now, if you're taking trades, your risk increases since it's wiggling up and down. So if your stop is too tight, then you're probably going to be stopped out because of this up and down moving. Guys, this is a really tough business. This is a really tough business. Trading is not for everyone, but everyone can do it. Meaning that if you put a lot of time and effort and look at the charts and look at how they move, and you're going to start recognizing patterns. This is something you can do, but it takes quite a bit of time for you to get used to the and for you to find the right strategy. And avoid trading when you are in choppy areas, because these choppy areas can kill you very fast. This move up and down could accumulate enough losses that would take you out of business. And again, I mean, if you need to train your strategy, improve your strategy, why not using a firm like Apex? um, and see if you're profitable with them. And this is day trading, right? So you can also take a trade and do and swing trade it and see if it goes in your direction and leave it there. That's another way. But the swings are going to be more predictable, but the losses can be more significant. So you have to have the pockets to support that those moves. It's actually very weird because if I put a size of 2 here, then the chart is corrected and it's good. What if I put point and figure and change the point and figure size also? What do we have here? 8. So I'm going to point and figure 5. And this one corrected it. Okay. So in ES, I'm going to remain with my 1600 here, say 4600. And then here, I'm going to go with this high here, which is 4666. How about that? I was looking at this top right here as well. So that could be also, because this one seems to me that could be an overshoot. I'm going to go 4660 right there. $46.60. That's my number right there. And then because we do have a triple top right here. Okay, so there's an intermediate level right here, right? So we are at the top of this, or yeah, just below the resistance here. Okay, so weird. I don't know how to fix it all. So I'm gonna leave it there with the size of 3 and reversal of, the size of 5 and reversal of 3. Okay, gold is coming back down, still in the range, but threatening to go lower. This diagonal here, so entry could be the break of that one, or this support, or this support, or this support right here. So let's see what it'll do. Now the other option I have is to reset Ninja Trader, and for that I would need to disconnect to see if I correct this moves here. And you know what? I'm going to also change this instrument and put RTY in this left bottom corner. And I'm gonna go with a size of 6 point and figure 6 in here. Still in the range to bearish, huh? Still in the range to bearish. It actually breaking the diagonal here that I was mentioning before. So, and now it's breaking the next one. Heading towards this one here. I'm not participating here. Too much support for me, you know, that one and this one. If it goes below this one, I would consider to participate. Right now, I think that there's too much support for me to participate. I might be wrong, and this one could end up in a very nice large move, but I don't see it right now. $8:48, guys. We are getting close to end up the stream. Thank you so much for watching. Be patient. Be patient on your tradings today. It's a Monday, and there's no news today. And Wednesday, seems that Wednesday we're going to have some good fireworks, and potentially tomorrow as well. For those of you that just got here, let me remind you, I'm gonna put it here because I'm looking at gold as well. So today is the 11th. As we saw, nothing today. So no news for today in the calendar at least. And then in the tomorrow we do have CPI 8:30. So I would say that we are going to have some positive, some fireworks tomorrow. And then federal budget balance at 2, but the big one is actually at 8:30 tomorrow. Okay, so gold is moving back down, trying to break this support. Okay, let me see here. Yeah, I said it is congestion. I don't see. It's not breaking this red 2000, and probably it's going to try to head to 2000. So let's see if it breaks. Okay. So I was saying on Wednesday, we do have 8:30 also PPI. So and then at 2 p.m. we do have FOMC statement and a press conference at 2:30. There you go. It's breaking. It's breaking. It's breaking. It's breaking. Come on. What are you gonna do? Okay, now it's breaking the red line. Let's see if we get some reaction here. Where are my levels here? 2000. And up here at 27. I would like to see this one bouncing back up and then break it again. I would feel more confident if this happens here, and not only that break over that diagonal would have been successful. It's 1, 2, 3, 4, and then at least to that one. All right, so 8:54. We've been almost an hour, and I know that I got a little bit late, but We've been almost an hour in this stream, and I'm gonna leave it just there. Be careful. Again, be careful today. You may see some range movement. We are not out of the range yet in gold, even though we are bearish. And so be careful and have a safe day. I'm gonna leave some music here for now. Remember to like and subscribe, and for likes. Thank you so much for that, and thank you so much for watching, and see you next time. Okay, just the last one. You see how this one is coming back up? This one is coming back up, doing exactly what I wanted to do. So go up. And now we do have a better defined support right here. I like this one. So let's see what it does from here. Still in the range. Still in the range. Okay. Okay, I'm out. Thank you so much for watching again, and see you next time.